It was a joyful moment for former Miss Nkechi Ezeala as Mr. Emeka Onyegbule from Abia State successfully performed her traditional marriage rites. The traditional marriage, which attracted family members and friends of the couple, was held at the bride's father's compound, Umuchoke, Ezeala, Mbano local government area of Imo State. Faith Onyemuche has the details.
The traditional marriage kicked off with payment of dowry, after which the bride presented a cup of palm wine, already blessed by her father, to the groom, thereby revealing him to the public. Receiving the couple, the father of the bride, Ichie Bernard Ezeala, said giving out a daughter's hand in marriage is one of the proud moments of a father. He advised the couple to love, respect, and tolerate one another and prayed that their marriage would be fruitful. Speaking to ABS in separate interviews, the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Emeka Onyegbule, said they are happy to see the day become a reality despite the ups and downs in their relationship. They vowed to love and respect one another while praying for God to bless their union. The couple also appreciated all who traveled across the state to celebrate with them, praying that celebration will never elude them. Family members, friends and well-wishers who spoke to ABS, including the bride's siblings Nkiru and Emeka Ezeala, and those of the groom Nnenna Onyegbule and Chukwudi Emmanuel, appreciated God for the success of the event while wishing them happy married life.
I'm wishing him the best because the Bible says he that findeth a wife findeth good thing and obtaineth favor from the Lord. So that favor will follow him.
Special prayer on the couple by the bride's father, cutting of cake, and dance by the couple featured at the event. From Ezeala, Imo State, Faith Onyemuche, ABS News.